Your diff is gonna get new fluid. First things first, the lift. Here we are under world famous Rusty 24. Leaning it up a little bit. Harbor Freight. Fail plug is loose. Moving on to the drain. There it is. Flojando. There it is. Okay. See what comes out of here. All the way. It's new. Brand new. That's the drain plug. I think it was recently changed. So flat side or rounded side towards the diff. So this is how I'm gonna put the washer. Flat side towards the bolt. Low towards the diff with the oil. Okay, this little guy's going back. Okay, the drain bolt is in. Torque now. Start to fill her up. Forgot to take off that little guy. And she's full. Use two of these little guys for the rear. Another happy customer.